All right, so we're still in the key of G for this next lick, and it's going to start with the same concept, but a variation on the technique. So let's look at the G minor pentatonic again. And let's look at the B string of it again. So we'd have 3rd fret, 6th fret, 8th fret's the root. But let's keep going up now, just for the shiggles. We'll go to the 11th fret next. Okay? So 3, 6, 8, 11, 13, 15. And I highly recommend you trying to figure out the minor pentatonic on one string. It will be very helpful to you. But anyway, we're going to go 3, 6, 8, 11, 13, 15. And instead of, which you could still go, you could do the exact same thing in the lick before, but what I want to do this time is like a double stop bend. These are classic, Hendrix. Pretty much you can say Hendrix on everything, but so this time instead of a boo-da-da, 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 I'm just going to hold that 3rd fret of the B down and then bend the 5th fret of the G string with my middle finger behind it, bend it up so you hear it go into tune with that note like this. And so we'll do, remember, we're going to look at the index, but we're going to do it for each note up the G minor pentatonic on the B string. And we're going to switch strings at the very end just to kind of cap off this little lick concept with an exclamation point. So 3rd fret, 5th fret on the G. Exact same concept, index on the 6th, ring on the 8th. Exact same concept, a whole step up, 8 and 10. Exact same concept, 11 and the 13. Then up a whole step, so it'd be 13 and 15. And then finally, 15 on the B and 17 on the G. And we're now at the spot that we started with right here. Just an octave up. So now we're in that home row pentatonic right here. So when we get there, 15 and 17, what we're going to do is we're going to switch to the high E root, which is the 15. It's a G note. And we're just going to bend the 18th fret of the B string up to that pitch. Listen. And you hit those as a double stop. So you put that together with one string, it's... And you just add that bend up that connects to it. And then we're going to do the switch. Great for the rock stuff. Great for the rock stuff. Now, if you took the technique from the lick before, there's no reason you can't. And vice versa with the first lick and using the double stop bends. So that was that second lick for you. Hope you got some good ideas, and I hope that you can take that, run with it, and create your own ideas, change keys, try different things out. So hang tight. Got another lick in the key of G, though, coming your way. See you there.